Hello guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'll explain only one feature from this amazing website, and later in the upcoming videos I'll explain everything about this site. But today we're only focusing on AI video enhancer, so you can enhance any video from 360 up to 4K with just a simple trick. So enough talking, let's get back into business. So we click on sign up and continue with email. Now on the email field, we go to this temporary Gmail generator and we copy this email and put it right here. Also, you can sign in with your Google account or your Apple. We click on send. Now we solve this CAPTCHA and it was sent successfully. Now we press on go. And as always, don't forget, all the links will be in the description below. If the email was not supported, you go and generate a new one until you got your code, and then you press on go. As you can see, I got the code here. So I copy it and go back to our website and paste it. We click on login. And now we are successfully in the site. Okay. You can click on earn credits. You can copy your own link and send it to your friends. For each sign up, you will get 60 credits. And for each plan paying, you will get 150 credits, you and your friend. So let's get back into business. We go to the video enhancer and now refresh the page. We click on upload the video. Now as you can see, the site is processing the video and trying to enhance it. In the end, I will show you the final quality. And this is the before and this is the after. As you notice, for a 5-second preview, it's free. And our video is 5 seconds because we got it from the site I explained in the previous video. You can check it right there. You can create morphing and motion graphic with only a couple of clicks. Check my recent video to see the full tutorial. Now, we click on download 5-second preview. And it's a 4K video. Now we can check it. If you like this tutorial and felt that I helped you, please help me back by liking and subscribing for my channel for more useful tutorials. And as always, thank you so much for watching.